everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Darlene. Today I'm going to be reviewing this light fixture and we're just going to get right into this. I will link where you can actually purchase this down in the description box below, but this is how it comes. This thing is so beautiful, super high quality, and I absolutely love it. Okay, so it comes with instructions right here. Comes with this. I don't know where. Okay, it must be in here. So it came really well packaged. You can see. Look how nice this is. I'm trying to be very careful. I do not want it to break. So the cord and everything is found in the inside. So it comes with a screwdriver and everything that you need right in there. Okay, so to install this, you will need this, and then it comes with all the cords and everything right here. So it comes with this right here. Comes with 2 small bolts. And then it comes with this stuff right here. And then the screwdriver as well. And then it comes with this cord right here. So this is the part that would go to the ceiling, and that hangs down super low. So that would have to definitely be cut because that's way too long. Okay, so I'm gonna have my husband show how to install this, but pretty much you screw this into the wall, and then it has these 2 little holes on the side that you'll screw this into. So I'm gonna go ahead and have my husband install this and show you how to install it. So this is the cover to the light fixture. Super pretty and very modern. This is the plug, and you just unscrew the top of it, and that's how you'll get the glass piece over it. So then you want to just take it, put it in there, and then you're going to grab that glass piece and push it down over it, putting the hole, and then grab the plastic piece and put it down in. Now my husband's hands are too big for it, so you will have to have smaller hands to be able to install this. So he had to have me actually reach in there and install it because there's no way he could ever fit his hands in there. And I have pretty small hands, so if you have bigger hands, it may be a bit of a challenge to get your hands down in there. And it's going to be the same thing with changing light bulbs or anything like that. You don't have to put the glass piece in if you didn't want to, but it does make it look a lot prettier and more modern, so I personally like that touch. But if something happened and you weren't able to put your hands in there, you don't have to add that if you don't want. So that's how it turns out, and it looks really pretty. And then I'm going to go grab a light bulb to put the light bulb in. But look how pretty that is. Super gorgeous. Okay, so now here I'm grabbing the light bulb, and just you can see how narrow the space is. And I was making pizza, so I had a little bit of oil on my hands, and it did get on the glass, so I just got some Windex and then wiped the inside out, and it was fine. So it just kind of got a little smudged up, but it was all good in the end. So right here, he's just putting the top piece on that'll actually touch the ceiling, and that little yellow wire is the ground, and you just want to pull that piece on first and then put kind of like the lid, I guess you'd say. That's the metal part that hits the wall. You just push the wire through there, and I will be cutting down that rope, or my husband will, a little bit later because it's way too long. My ceilings are not that high, but it is good to have a rope that long just in case you have really high ceilings. So I do like that you have that option. So right here, my husband's just measuring it to see how low I want it. And I really like about that length, so that's where we kept it at. And so right here, he just has the wire cutters and he cuts it, the cord, and then he's going to have to re-strip the wires so that he'll be able to install it without any issues. So this light did not fix the hardware that was already in our wall, so we had to use the hardware that was already inside of our ceiling for this. So that's why this metal piece looks different, but most people would not have that issue. It's just because we were placing this light inside of our hallway, so we had to improvise, and it worked out just fine the way we did it. So that's what my husband is doing right here. He's just applying everything to our original light fixture, and that's the ground that he's putting on there so that it's grounded. So then you just match up your whites and your blacks to each other, and then put these little screw lids on top of that so that they don't touch, and then you drill it up into the wall. It's pretty simple. Just make sure you turn off the electric before doing any of this. We have the electric turned off. That's why my husband is wearing the headlamp, because you want to make sure that you don't electrocute yourself. And then my husband's just making sure that's tight on the wall, and then he's going to put that little bolt up and then screw it onto it. And this is the end result. I absolutely love it. I think that it made my house look a little more modern, and I love it. This is with the lights off. Super, super cute, and it matches so well with my decor.
But yeah, that completes this video. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the notification bell down in the corner below. That way you'll be notified every time that I do upload a video. But until next time, I will see you guys later. Bye, God bless.